Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Guitar. I'm playing sombr 12 to 12. This is a disco song, and I'm utilizing my disco guitar here from TYMA. Cool. Check it out if you want to. I have a review on it on Gear. Anyway, let's go into this one, and we don't use any cable for this. We're just playing plain simple chords without any setup, so let's go into them. And we're gonna start with the E minor chord. All right, so that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have B minor next, which is a bar chord. You place your index finger on the second fret and you push down all strings except from the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. We have also A, and that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And finally we have the D. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so we have this string pattern, very simple. If you grab the E minor chord, like this, you're gonna play 4 downs. It sounds like that. So I'm gonna play on the bass strings for all these downs except for the third down. I go down and play on the higher strings down there. Otherwise, on the bass strings, and that is one round. A couple of rounds goes like this. All right, now let's start with the verse, and if you want to add some notes to this, you have this. And if you choose to go with the notes, I'm going to show you that for both the E minor and the G chord, then you have to skip one of these strumming rounds. So these two notes replace the first out of the strumming rounds you're going to play for each and every chord. So you're going to play the open D string and the open E. And then follows 3 strumming rounds. Okay? Or you can just skip that note of open D and open E and play 4 strumming rounds instead. If you choose to go with just the strumming, then you're gonna play 8 rounds in total. So that means okay. But if you go with the notes, you're gonna play the notes on the first round and then play 3 strumming rounds. And then on the 5th round, you play the notes again. And so on, and play till you played 8 in total, okay? So if that makes sense, notes or strumming, it's up to you. That's the E minor part. Then you're gonna play the same for G, but now the notes are on the E string. First the 2nd fret and then the 3rd fret. So it will be like this. So either you play with the strumming only, you play 4 strumming rounds, or with the notes and then followed by 3 strumming rounds. So yes, that's E minor and G part. Then you continue with B minor, 2 full strumming rounds, and then A, 2 full strumming rounds. And that is 1 chord pressure round of the verse play. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. I'm gonna play 1 round for you to understand how it's done. I'm gonna choose to go with the notes. So you know how that it's played. So let's go. And so on. 2 rounds. That is the verse. Now into the pre-chorus. That's 51 seconds in. Was it always? And so on. That's the lyric. And you're gonna play B minor, 4 strumming rounds, A, 4 strumming rounds, E minor, 4, G, 2, and A, 2. And you're gonna play for all of this 1 round. So let's do it together. B minor 4, A 4, that takes us to the first chorus at 1 minute and 6 seconds in a room full of people. I'm the only one sitting here, but anyway, that's the lyric in the chorus. And guess what? You're gonna play the verse play here. So no changes, just E minor, G, B minor, and A. And you're gonna play that for 1 round. After that follows an instrumental part, and you're gonna continue with that verse play for another round, okay? Then we're gonna go into the second round of everything. It's just repetition when it comes to the verse, but also the pre-chorus and even the chorus. Played exactly in the same way as the first round. After that second chorus comes the bridge part. We hit now the 2 minutes and 34-second mark, or maybe 39, I believe. Anyway, you're gonna play the first 2 rounds, E minor 4, B minor 2, and A2. So you're gonna repeat that, E minor 4, B minor 2, and A2. That's the first 2 rounds. Then the last 2 rounds, you're gonna play E minor 4, G2, and D2. And play that for 2 rounds. So in total, 4 rounds. E minor 4, B minor 2, A2, and then E minor 4, G2, D2. After that bridge part, you're gonna go back to play that third and final chorus / outro. And how that is done is to play exactly in the same way as the verse play and the previous choruses, whatever you're gonna call them. It's played in the same way. Instead of playing 1 round, you're gonna play it for 3 rounds in total. And in the third round, you're just slowly gonna fade out there in that beautiful B minor area. And guess what, guys? That is how you handle a disco song from Sombr called 12 to 12. Yes. Not your typical guitar song, I can agree on that, but it's fully playable. So give it a shot if you love the song, or just wanna challenge me perhaps and say it's impossible. I believe it is. But anyway, good luck and play tuned.